What's up, guys? Alright, so this is the third time I've done Bondo on my car, and every time it gets a little bit harder because this same quarter panel has been smacked 3 times now. I got the car off the auction. It was hitting this quarter panel right here, had a little bit of damage to the door. So I had the whole entire, I went through with a guy that I know, and we went through and we drilled out all the spot welds. We cut it about up here, we moved this window and replaced, we pulled this whole skin out first. You know, we put it on the frame machine and pulled it out first. And now I've smacked it while having fun in my car 2 more times after that. If it's one thing I really don't like doing, it's bodywork. Today I just got a call back from a friend that said that he can finish up the bodywork for me. It's not like I can't do Bondo. I'll put a couple pictures up right now. And all of that Bondo came out really good. Like, I actually pulled out the whole quarter panel you can see here. We actually used a stud welder and pulled out the whole quarter panel. Then I laid Bondo, and then I went over it and took too much Bondo off, and then I put more on, and then I just, you know, learned how to get the body lines. And, this is the final product. And the car actually came out really nice. So you can see the back end here. You can't even tell that it was ever an accident, and I did all that work myself. I really don't want to. I don't want to sit here for hella long trying to get the body lines right. And one of the things I do want to do before I have him lay Bondo, so in the future, when I roll my fenders, is I don't want a whole bunch of Bondo to crack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Bondo off and then roll my fenders, at least on the back, and I'm going to remove my wheels and stuff, take all this Bondo off, and then I've got a fender rolling tool, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Alright, so pretty much all the Bondo is off. There's a little tiny bit still stuck in the cracks in here, but it's alright. So basically for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out everything from this inside seam, and then I'm going to go grab the fender roller, put it onto my hub here, and start rolling this. So I've been going over it for a little while now, and you can see from all the previous quarter panel repairs, like, these are all the spot welds that are starting to crack. Well, the Bondo on top of them anyways is starting to crack, but overall it's pretty nice. It's not, I didn't crease it like hella bad or anything. It actually came out pretty good. There's a spot that I'm gonna have to go over right here with where it's been welded before. I'm gonna have to go over that with a sanding tool and try to take it down a little bit, and then I'll just I'll probably end up just sanding all this down and priming over this too. So this right here is Prep All. It's made so you use it before you paint. It's basically a wax and grease remover. Now time for a little bit of primer. I put 3 coats. Alright, so I took off all the old Bondo. He's on his way right now. I rolled this fender, I rolled this quarter panel, and what I'm gonna do later on is actually I'm going to fill the inside with seam sealer. I just couldn't find it today, so it is what it is, but I know I bought it, I just don't know where I put it. But I just put a little light coat of primer on the inside after I sanded it down. I cleaned it with some Prep All and then put a little bit of primer. But yeah, the next time you guys see this car, this quarter panel will be finished, and I'll start prepping everything else for paint. Man, if you guys have ever changed an axle on a Toyota Corolla, that shit is a bitch. So that's pretty much it. I just rolled that one fender for now just because I wanted to make sure after I put Bondo on that quarter panel it doesn't interfere, it doesn't crack if I try to roll it in the future and then I have to worry about repainting that side of the car again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so I guess I'll show you guys this. I just got my car back from the body shop and this is what it looks like. So all he has to do is block the primer and get these body lines 100% perfect, and my car's quarter is done. So I can finally get my car off to paint pretty soon. And I've actually got a drift event I'm going to on December 14th, so I wanted to get at least this done so that way my quarter doesn't rust if it is raining. And I'm going to trailer my car over there with my truck so I don't have to worry about driving my car all the way there. And if anything happens at the drift event, then I can just trailer the car home. So yeah, so I guess I'll make this the end of the video because I actually shot a different outro, but after I got my car back from the body shop, I wanted to give you guys a look at it. That way you can see what's going on. I can't wait to get this car painted. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.